2024, I had come to Honorable CM and I had requested him for getting 4 issues resolved, 4 projects done, and I'm delighted to tell all of you that the government of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Mohan Chandra Majhi worked on all those 4 projects, and today I can proudly say that we have done all those. Today I had gone to him with all my colleagues with 6 proposals for my constituency and for the state of Odisha. He heard very patiently, and at the end he said that the government would be working on clearing all the 6 proposals. Of course, the proposals ranged from community park to vending zones to a Karjat Mahal land of the Rayats to the widening of road network in Bhubaneswar. So number 1, of course, I will talk about the Karjat Mahal land. In fact, for a long time, the 1,20,000 people staying in Begunia, Khurda, Jatni, Puri and Delang tehsils have been suffering because the RORs are not in their name. So I think that matter has to be resolved. All the papers etc. have been given to Honorable CM, and he directed his officials that it should be looked into immediately. Number 1. Number 2, the issue was related to the decongestion in Bhubaneswar and the road network development in Bhubaneswar. We requested for the widening of the Nandankanan road by 200 feet, to which Honorable Chief Minister gave his consent. There will be 2 flyovers, one from Shishu Bhavan Square to Museum Square and the other from till Ravi Talkies Chak. So I think this Kalpana Square to Ravi Talkies Square, and the other was from Shishu Bhavan Square to Museum Square. 2 flyovers will be done, and then thereafter we requested for the development of the canal embankment road, which he agreed to, and one after the other we discussed all other issues. The matter of infrastructure development in Bhubaneswar would be given a lot of importance. That's what he said. And then thereafter we talked about the vending zones in Jatni municipality area. Around 568 vending shop rooms would be developed there at a cost of 16 crore 58 lakhs. On 28th of February 2024, the Collector Khurda has already written to the Government and Housing and Urban Development Department asking for placement of funds with him and for the sanction of the project. But so far, almost 1 year has passed, nothing has been done. So I drew the attention of the Honorable CM regarding that, and he immediately told his officials to look into the matter. Funds need to be released to the District Collector, and 568 vending shops rooms would come up. That's what he said. And then thereafter, we did talk about the Rajwa diversion weir project completion. I must tell you that for the past 23 years, since 2001, this Rajwa diversion weir project has not been able to take a shape, though money is there, but I think there was lack of political will with the earlier government. Things had not been done. So today also we talked about it. Rupees 43 crore 21 lakh 76,000 will be spent on the completion of the project. 26 crores have been spent. The rest work is going on, but the work is very slow, and the farmers are suffering all over. So that is why, in fact, 2,666 hectares of land will be irrigated, and out of these 2,666 hectares of land, 1,392 hectares are in Puri district, and the rest 1,273 hectares in Khurda district. So I think if this is done, the farmers will be benefited hugely. So this particular department, Water Resources Department, is headed by Honorable CM. So he himself said he would look into it, and there will be no problem of funds, and there would be regular monitoring. So I think these were the issues that we discussed. Now there is a market at Shahid Nagar. You are aware, about 500 shopkeepers are staying in the Shahid Nagar Hatta. Vanik Sangha had come to us a couple of times, and they had requested us that the Shahid Nagar Hatta should be looked into by the BMC. And in 2013, you'll be astonished to know, on 21st March 2013, the then Commissioner of BMC had written a letter to the GA department asking for 1 acre 20 decimals land so that that particular Hatta can be developed by BMC, and all the people's welfare can be looked after. But unfortunately, GA department was mum on this matter. I brought the letter to Honorable CM and I requested him to look into the matter. He immediately asked his officials of the GA department to kind of resolve the matter and see that Shahid Nagar issue is taken care of, Shahid Nagar Hatto issue is taken care of. Last but not the least, the park in Nayapalli. It's ward number 39, unit 8. There was a Kalyan Mandap when I was the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Commissioner. That particular Kalyan Mandap had been demolished. In front of that Kalyan Mandap, the senior residents of the area, more than 300 people, had been demanding a community park. Community parks are lungs of the city. So in this connection, I requested Honorable CM to issue instructions to the BMC to immediately remove the encroachers and convert that particular area which is available there into a park, and Honorable CM has readily agreed. So I think it was a very fruitful discussion. He heard all of us at length with a lot of patience, and he immediately asked all his officials to look into the matter.